It's front page news. Hindi ko naman kinakaya yung relasyon namin. Ang kaso lang, hindi ko siya mapa-oo.
Baka naman olat yung proposal mo.
Well, since expert ka, then sige, turuan mo ako.
Okay, ganito yan ha. Tandaan mo, mga babae ngayon, hindi na sapat sa kanila yung sincere ka lang. Women nowadays need grand declaration of love, bro.
Philip, I think you forgot. Nagpasara ako ng theme park for her.
No. It's not just about that. Naalala mo nung napao ko si Laura, di ba? Oh.
All I remember is you got married and you forgot to invite me.
Ito naman, bitbit mo pa rin yan.
Of course.
Unintentional yun, bro. And besides, you were in a conference in Dubai that time. Oh.
Excuses.
Okay. Ang point ko, kung may plano ka para kay Sek Kim, kailangan yung may totoong meaning behind it, bro. It's gotta be real. Kung engagement ring mo, tara, kilitisin natin. Sana?
I don't have one yet.
Sus. Kaya ka naman pala binabasted eh. But don't worry, I got you.
Hindi ako busted. She's just left me hanging.
Ay, no need to explain.
You got it all wrong. Why would Sekim flirt with me? A girlfriend ko na siya. Not that it's any of your business, but niligawan ko si Kim. Sinagot niya ako. End of story. Unless, of course, you have a problem with two consenting adults who are deeply in love with each other.
So, I guess it's settled then?
Thank you for your input, Vice Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Dakanay. Excuse me, I have to take this. Hello?